Hello dear students, today we are going to learn exercise 1.1 question number 4. Represent the following sets in roster form. The first subdivision, A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. See, it is in the form of descriptive form. We have to write the descriptive form in roster form. That is, we have to convert into the roster form. So, set of all even natural numbers. So, before we converting to the roster form, first we can listing the natural numbers. See, I hope you know the natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. There are many numbers up to infinity. There is no end of the natural numbers. So, here we have to write only the even numbers less than 20. Therefore, the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. These are only the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18 is the roster form of the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Then let us see the second subdivision. The second subdivision is B is equal to the set open set bracket y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n, where n belongs to the natural numbers and also n is less than or equal to 5. So it is in the form of set builder form. We have to convert the set builder form into roster form. So here also the natural numbers we have to use. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. There is no end for natural numbers. Now we are going to use only the numbers up to 5 because the condition is n is less than or equal to 5. N is less than or equal to 5. So we have to apply up to 5 only. Now, given condition y is equal to 1 by 2n. Y is equal to 1 by 2n. So you have to apply 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for the condition, because the condition is n less than or equal to 5. N is less than or equal to 5. Okay. So first, when n is equal to 1, then y equal to 1 by. So first we have to apply 1 instead of n. So 1 equal to 1 by 2. Then when n is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1 by, here we have to apply 2 instead of n. So 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Next, when n is equal to 3, then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 equal to 1 by 6. Then when n is equal to 4, then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 equal to 1 by 8. Then when n is equal to 5, then y is equal to 1 by 2 of 5 equal to 2 5s are 1 by 10. So these are the elements of set B, that is the roster form of the set B. So let us listing the elements in the roster form. B is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 6 comma 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. So it is in the form of roster form. Next, third subdivision. The third subdivision is C is equal to X such that X belongs to, sorry, X is here, X such that X is here perfect cube, X is perfect cube, X such that X is perfect cube where 27 less than X less than 216, close the set bracket. I hope you know the cube numbers. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Then 4 cubes equal to 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64. Then 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125, and 6 cubes equal to 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 216. Now the given condition is X such that X is perfect cube where 27 less than X and less than 216, that is X value must be in between, X is greater than 27 and X is less than 216, the number must be cube numbers. So we observe the cube numbers here, we conclude that the numbers between 27 and 216 is 64 and 125 only. So it is the roster form of C. It is the roster form of C. Then fourth subdivision. The fourth subdivision is D is equal to X such that X belongs to integers where -5 less than X less than or equal to 2. See, in this problem the given set is in the form of set builder form. It is in the form of set builder form. We have to convert into the roster form. See, the elements are in the integers. So let us listing the integers first. The integers are positive numbers and negative numbers and 0. These are the integers. Now let us listing the integers. So both side endless for integers 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma etc. This side -1 comma -2 comma -3 comma -4 comma -5 comma -6 comma -7. So it is going on. So we have to list out the elements from this. Now we need the set D is equal to, the elements x is greater than minus 5, x is less than or equal to 2. That means we have to write up to greater than minus 5 is 4 and up to 2. So the elements are minus 4 comma minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2. That's all. So it is in the form of roster form. So d is equal to minus 4 comma minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 is the roster form of d. Okay dear students, I hope you understood the problems. If you have any doubt about this problem, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Thank you students.